Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey, and for episode 4 of Healthy Diabetic Friendly Recipe, I'm sharing a millet roti ideal as a meal any time of the day. So let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, I took 1/4 portion of a raw papaya. From this portion, I grated to get 1 cup of raw papaya. Raw papaya is a good source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium and antioxidants. Raw papaya or green papaya contains an enzyme called papain which aids in digestion. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. The high fiber and low calories help in weight loss and weight management. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup grated raw papaya, 1 green chilli finely chopped or as needed, half onion finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. The addition of black pepper when using turmeric helps in better assimilation of turmeric. Half teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Some fresh curry leaves for that extra iron and folate. If you prefer the taste of coriander leaves, you can add in some coriander leaves finely chopped. Next, I'm adding in 1/4 cup foxtail millet flour. This is sprouted foxtail millet flour. Foxtail millet is also known as thenna in Malayalam. With my hand, I'm giving this all a good mix. Next, I'm adding in 1/8 cup water, little by little, and I'm mixing it really well. Once thoroughly mixed, the batter will be of a spreadable consistency. That is, you will be able to spread the batter. I'm going to allow it to rest for 5 minutes. It's about 5 minutes now, and the batter is now ready to make roti. I'm dividing the dough into 2 equal portions. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood-pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil. Place 1 portion of the dough onto the tawa. With wet spoon, lightly press into a round roti. Make sure you level the sides with the spoon to make it into a round roti. Drizzle in a little bit of wood-pressed groundnut oil, or you can use A2 desi ghee or any wood-pressed oil of your choice. Cover and let it cook on medium to low flame. 2 to 3 minutes later, open the lid and carefully flip it over. Allow that side to get cooked as well. It should get done in about 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes later, flip it over and transfer to a serving plate. And my super healthy, diabetic friendly millet roti is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with any side dish or even with pickle of your choice. Let me show you how soft the roti is. This roti will stay soft at room temperature. Hence, it's ideal to carry as a lunchbox meal. So guys, do try this healthy millet roti and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.